Hello. It's my birthday. What do I need to make it a proper birthday? What's that? A crown? Maybe that will make it a proper birthday. Cuckoo! Now I'm going to sit on the throne because it's my birthday. Something is missing. I need Hug. Where are you, Hug? Where are you, Hug? I've got to find Hug. He's probably up here. Climb up, climb up. Hug!
Hello, Harry. Were you looking for me?
Can you help me get my birthday party ready?
Yes, I love helping with birthday parties.
Wow, thank you, Hug. Thank you. Here's some paper. Here's a pencil. Now we've got to draw a donkey.
I know how to draw a donkey. That's the tail and the body and the legs. There, a donkey.
No, Hug. You drew a tail.
Of course I drew a tail. Donkeys have tails.
No. We need a donkey without a tail.
That's strange, but I'll draw a donkey without a tail. There you are, Harry. But he is sad because he doesn't have a tail.
Don't worry. Here's his tail. You'll see later when we play the game.
Ooh, I'm hungry. Can we have an apple?
No, Hug. We need the apples for a game.
Maybe just one? There are so many and they look so yummy.
Yes, they do. But no, Hug. We need them for the game.
What game?
You'll see. Gotta make holes in the apples now, Hug. Drill a hole. Drill it in the apple. Make a hole in the apple.
This looks like a very funny game.
Something is missing. We have the donkey game ready, and we have the apples ready. So what is missing?
Friends, of course. I have brought some invitations. Birthday party invitations. So let's invite our friends.
Of course, friends. It's a birthday party. I'm going to have a party. I'm going to have a party. Yay! Thank you so much, Hug. Mwah! Let's send the invitations out now.
Here we go. One for GooGoo.
And one for Gaga.
And let's invite Larry. Ooh.
What's this? An invitation?
Nobody's coming. Will somebody come, Hug?
I think they'll come. Don't worry. It's probably taking them time to arrive.
Maybe they don't want to come.
Oh, Harry, I'm sure they want to come.
Look, the invitations are coming back. Are they going to come or not? Gaga's coming. Yay! Thank you, Gaga. Oh, and Larry, too. Oh, I'm so happy. GooGoo, you've also come to my party. Yay!
I'm hungry. Where's the birthday cake?
I'm hungry, too.
You're hungry? Okay, so let's play an eating game. I'm going to count to 10. And the winner is whoever can take the first bite of an apple without using their hands. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Whoa, it's hard. The apple keeps slipping.
5, 4, 3,
Rah! Stop moving, Apple! Rah! It keeps moving!
2,
Rah!
1.
I did it! I did
Hug,
it!
you did it!
Yay!
Hug's the
I
champion!
did it!
Now we're going to play pin the tail on the donkey. You see, our donkey hasn't got his tail, and he is sad. I'm gonna cover your eyes. First person to put the tail in its place is the winner.
Rah! I can't see anything! Rah!
Go on, Larry. See if you can put the tail on the donkey.
Did I put it on the donkey? Did I put it on the donkey?
put it on the donkey's nose.
Right. That's not right.
GooGoo, it's your go. Let's see where GooGoo puts the tail. Are you going to put it in the right place? Let's have a look. Look, GooGoo. No, you didn't even put it on the donkey. It's Gaga's turn now. Here we go, Gaga. Hey, what are you doing? Look where you put the tail. That's very funny. Now I've got the tail of my nose.
I'll find the donkey. Here we go.
Hug,
Where's the donkey?
where are you going? Come back, Hug.
Why is it such a long way?
Donkey's over here.
This is funny. I can't find the donkey. I went the wrong way.
Okay, now it's my turn. 1, 2, 3. Where's the donkey? Here it is, I think. Let's have a look. Did I get it? The donkey smiled.
Well done,
I
Harry.
gave him
Well
his tail
done.
back.
You
I
gave him his
won.
tail.
Yay!
Lift him up and lift him again. It's Harry's birthday and he is the king. Lift him up and lift him again. It's Harry's birthday and he is the king.
Here's the cake I promised you. That was such a fun party. Thank you, Hug.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Harry. Happy birthday. Congratulations, Harry.
Hey, do you like GooGoo? Click here to see more. Click here to be his friend forever.